Understanding luggage claim in air travel. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase in air travel, luggage claim. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to flying, understanding this term is key to a smooth journey. Let's explore what luggage claim means and why it's important. Luggage claim refers to the area in an airport where passengers collect their checked baggage after a flight. When you check in your luggage at the departure airport, it's transported by the airline and eventually ends up at the luggage claim area of your destination airport. This area is usually situated after immigration and customs areas in international airports. After disembarking from the plane, follow the signs marked baggage claim or luggage claim. These will lead you to conveyor belts or carousels where luggage from various flights is delivered. Each carousel is usually labeled with a flight number, making it easier to find your baggage. 1. Keep your baggage claim ticket handy. This is often attached to your boarding pass and is needed in case your luggage is lost. 2. Check the baggage information screens. These display which carousel will have luggage from your flight. 3. Inspect your luggage upon collection. Ensure it's yours and hasn't been damaged. If your luggage doesn't appear on the carousel, 1. Stay calm and wait a few minutes. Sometimes there's a delay. 2. If it's still not there, go to the airline's baggage claim office located near the luggage claim area. 3. Report your missing luggage and provide details like your flight number and baggage claim ticket. We hope this video helps you understand the luggage claim process and makes your next air travel experience smoother. Safe travels and see you in the skies.